Hello and welcome to Sony Ericsson Support. We will now take a look at how to use the on-screen keyboard in the X10 Mini. When you start a program or select a field that requires text or numbers, the default keypad appears. Open the Applications panes and locate the Notes icon. Tap Add Note in the top right corner. This brings up the keypad and we can now begin to explore typing. There are three keypads that you can use to enter text. We are now looking at the Letters keypad. Slide the 1, 2, 3 bar next to the keypad and the Numbers keypad appears. You can now enter numbers. Slide the Symbols bar to enter symbols and smileys. Flick on the keypad to view all symbols. Here you will also find the Return key. In the bottom of the screen you'll see three buttons: Delete, Space, and the Shift button. The Shift button has three modes by default. The solid arrow icon begins each word of a sentence with a capital letter. Tap the Shift button to activate Caps Lock and only write with uppercase letters. You will now see that the symbol changes on the button. Tapping it again lets you use lowercase letters only. Tap the Shift button again to go back to the Auto Capitalize mode. Before we begin to enter text, let's take the Input Method button in the top right corner. Here you can change input method from multi-tap to quick text, as well as change the language of the keypad. You can have a language for the on-screen keyboard that differs from the rest of the phone's settings. Tap Multi-tap. When using multi-tap to write a word, you will have to tap each key as many times as needed to show the letter you want. Tap the Input Select button again and tap Quick Text. When using Quick Text, the phone will give you word suggestions. By using this method, you only have to press each letter key once. Now let's start typing a word. Tap the arrow button right under the word. This will bring up a list of word suggestions and you can choose which word to enter by tapping it. You can also spell your own words if they're not in the dictionary. Start typing a word, tap the arrow, then tap the Spell button. You can now write the word you desire by using multi-tap. When the word is complete, tap Save. You can also edit words. Swipe on the text field to move the cursor. Let your finger go when the cursor is on top of a word to edit it. You can now change the capitalization by tapping the Shift key. If there are alternate words in the dictionary that matches the selected word, you can get to them in the same manner. You can also copy and paste text. Move the cursor to the front or end of the text you want to copy. Press and hold on the text field. Tap Select Text. Drag over the text. Let go, and then press and hold on the text field. You can now cut or copy the selected text. Tap Copy. Move the cursor to where you want to paste. Press and hold again, then tap Paste. Press and hold again to bring up other options. You can choose to select all, cut all, or copy all text. Input Method is for selecting which keyboard to use if you have downloaded additional keyboards from the Android market. The last option adds your word to the phone dictionary. When you are finished inputting text, tap Done in the top left corner, or leave the keypad at any time by pressing the back key on your phone. Thank you for taking the time to view this film. You'll find more information about your phone by visiting the Xperia X10 Mini Support Zone, where you can improve your user experience.